You know, in the 1830s, when it came to popular medicine, ketchup was all the rage. In 1834, it was a solid as cure for indigestion by an Ohio physician named John Cook. It wasn't popularized as a condiment until late 19th century.
Actually, they didn't even start using tomatoes with ketchup until the 1830s. For a long time, tomatoes were thought to be poisonous, since they're in the nightshade family.
I heard that before tomatoes, they used mustard and fish entrails to make ketchup.
Is that true?
The more you know.
Chromebook swaps had to pause because of enrollment, but next week we begin switching out sophomore devices.
Be sure to remember your chargers on the day of your exchange. You can set a reminder on your phone to make sure you bring it on your Trojan Times day to swap.
On Wednesday, Miss Morrissey and Mr. Nelson's Trojan Times will be swapping.
And on Thursday, the 26th, it will be time for Burr and Dorman.
On Friday the 27th, Mr. Stahlbaum's Trojan Time will swap out their old Chromebooks for the new.
Time is running out to order your 2023 yearbook. Sales need to be turned in by January 27th. A limited number of books will be ordered for sales after that date. But to ensure that you have your book, place your order now. The cost is $60 at yearbookforever.com.
If you missed out on another yearbook, maybe from your freshman or sophomore years, take Phil's advice and bundle. You can get 3 different yearbooks for $100, or order just one past yearbook just for $40. Supplies are limited, so see Miss Hooper in room 219 right away.
Good day, Trojans. Welcome back to What You Eatin'. I'm Lincoln.
I'm Grade.
Today you're having crispito,
A bean and cheese taco salad, a loaded baked potato,
a spicy chicken sandwich,
and ranch beans.
and that's what you're eating.
Head to the Trojan Cup for your quick boost of caffeine or fruity smoothie. And remember, Trojan Cup is open before school and during both lunches.
The PM Academy is back up and running. It goes from 3 to 4:30 every Monday through Thursday in the student cafeteria.
Last day to purchase bowling shirts is tomorrow. Please help the bowling team reach its goal. They only need to sell a few more items.
Shout out to our Trojan Bowlers. Varsity boys and JV boys teams each took third in their divisions, with Thomas Patterson taking fourth in overall individual boys, and the varsity girls took fourth place.
Varsity heads to Olathe Saturday for the Bishop Mage tournament.
Now for upcoming events.
Men's basketball at West for the Topeka Invitational Tournament.
Men's swim and dive at Lawrence. That's all we have for you today, Topeka High.
Hey man, did you steal my ketchup?
No.
And remember,
Towers up!